As we were taking our tour through the sea captain's house, I noticed some model ships on the table there, and it reminded me that down the street was Bluejacket Model Builders, and I had to stop in and check it out.
You know, we just left the museum and learned the history of the ships. Now we're here to see some of the models.
I was a big model builder as a kid. I'm gonna love this place.
When we walked in, we met Nick and Tricia, the owners of Bluejacket Ship Models. What an impressive place. There's a lot to look at.
Bluejacket Ship Crafters manufactures wooden ship model kits for the hobbyist. We manufacture over 80 different model kits, ranging from a simple little skiff to the very complex USS Constitution model. We modeled ours in the 1812 to 1815 time period, and our kit has 2,600 metal fittings in it. It has 20 different sizes and colors of rigging thread. If you copper the bottom, it takes 3,000 individual copper plates, and it's not a model for the faint of heart.
Look at the details on it. This is 1812 ship. And look at the hull, all the little panels and just the rigging.
All the rigging.
When I was a kid, I did cars because I didn't have the patience for something like this.
I've been a modeler since I was 4 years old. I just never stopped.
So this is the USS Oregon, and it's the sister battleship to the USS Maine.
Nick said this is their newest kit that they're working on. So he's still working on all of the details. They have to make each part to go into the kit to build the whole thing.
Gosh, look at all the detail. Just like the decking.
Wood panel on the decking.
Crazy good. Oh my gosh, look at these stairwells.
I know, it's just amazing to see the details.
I'm merely a temporary steward of a great tradition.
I think it's wonderful too to get kids involved. You know, the crafts of it and using your hand and coordination and patience so that this tradition keeps on. What a treat that was.
I enjoyed that.
I got Christmas gifts taken care of.